Welcome back to Bike Vibes. Today we're taking a look at something special for all you truck lovers out there, the 2025 Shelby Pickup. Shelby is a name synonymous with high-performance vehicles, and this new pickup brings that same pedigree to the world of trucks. First off, let's talk about the design. This truck is a head-turner from the moment you see it. With an aggressive front grille, bold Shelby stripes, and a lifted stance, it's clear that this isn't your average pickup. The signature Shelby touches, like the hood vents and the wide fender flares, give it a muscle car vibe, but in truck form. Every detail from the custom wheels to the robust stance makes a statement that this pickup means business. Now, under the hood is where the magic really happens. The 2025 Shelby Pickup is powered by a supercharged 5.0-liter V engine that cranks out over 700 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, minus 700 horsepower in a pickup truck. Whether you're hauling gear, towing, or just looking to have some fun, this engine delivers insane performance. The Shelby team has fine-tuned the suspension for both on-road comfort and off-road capability, so you get the best of both worlds. On the highway, it's smooth and responsive, but take it off-road, and this truck is ready to handle rough terrain like a champ. Inside, the Shelby Pickup continues the performance theme with a high-quality sport oriented cabin. Leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and Shelby badging all around remind you that you're sitting in something special. The seats are comfortable yet supportive, perfect for long drives or weekend adventures. And if you're someone who likes their tech, you'll be pleased with the advanced infotainment system, complete with a large touchscreen, premium sound system, and all the latest connectivity features. Everything is laid out intuitively, so whether you're off-roading or cruising in the city, you're always in control. But let's not forget about practicality. This is still a truck, and the Shelby Pickup doesn't disappoint when it comes to utility. It's got a spacious bed with a tonneau cover, and there's plenty of towing capacity to haul whatever you need. Whether you're using it for work or play, this truck has you covered. In conclusion, the 2025 Shelby Pickup combines muscle car performance with the ruggedness of a full-size truck. It's built for those who demand power, style, and capability all in one package. If you're looking for a truck that stands out from the crowd, the Shelby Pickup is a serious contender. That's it for today's review on Bike Vibes. Make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more awesome content on all things with wheels. See you next time.